Yo Mo, sup Matt? It's Matthew today. Okay? Be careful who you trust, because even the devil was once an angel. Let's talk about that. Assalamu alaikum, what's going on everybody? I've heard this phrase so many times and I've read this quote more times than I'd ever care to admit. And I've even seen this quote shared by many Muslims. Okay, I don't know why we needed the thunder in the background. The quote is, be careful who you trust, because even the devil was once an angel. Again with the thunder. I don't even know who I'm talking to. I make the edits. Now, in Islam, the devil having once been an angel is not true. If it is meant as a metaphor, like figuratively speaking, that the devil was so pious and righteous and obedient to God that he was like an angel or at the level of an angel, just figuratively speaking, then sure. But literally, no. Here is what Muslims believe about Satan or Shaytan or Iblees. We believe that Iblees was not created as an angel, but rather as a jinn or jinn kind. We believe even before the creation of Adam, God had created angels and jinn kind. These are separate creations. While mankind was created from soil, jinn kind were created from fire. Many scholars refer to them as a form of energy. The topic of jinn and jinn kind in Islam is actually a very long and detailed topic, and I will have a link below to a lecture that details what Muslims believe about jinn. I highly recommend you watch it. Simply speaking, in the Quran, it is stated what jinn kind are made from. In chapter 55, the Quran says this.
خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجان من مارج من نار.
So now, let's discuss some key proofs that the devil or Satan was definitely not an angel. Number 1. Angels do not disobey God's commands and they never get tired of worshiping Allah or glorifying Him. This is stated in the Quran.
وله من في السماوات والأرض ومن عنده لا يستكبرون عن عبادته ولا يستحسرون يسبحون الليل والنهار لا يفترون عليها ملائكة غلاظ شداد لا يعصون الله ما أمرهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون.
Knowing that angels do not disobey God's commands, yet Satan, Shaytan, or the devil did disobey God's command, that by itself proves that the devil was not an angel. This brings us to number 2. In chapter 18 in the Quran, this verse clearly states that the devil, Satan, Iblees, was not an angel, but rather jinn kind.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ كَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ فَفَسَقَ عَنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّهِ.
I hope this clarifies this topic for many people, Muslims and non-Muslims alike. Inshallah, this makes it clear that in Islam, we believe that the devil was never, in fact, an angel. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video. Support me by subscribing to my channel. And until next time, I'm that Muslim guy. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you.